Hi, can I see your driver's license, proof of insurance?
There's not a driving license.
You don't have a driver's license?
No, it's just a romantic car.
Where's the engine?
That's a battery. That's the...
I see the battery. Where's the engine?
That's that.
Okay, well, neither one of you got seatbelts on.
They're fake seatbelts.
Stay right here. I'll be right back. Gonna have to issue you guys tickets. I mean, oh!
She doesn't want to go right.
All right, all right. I won't issue you the ticket. Okay, she's not getting a ticket, but you are.
Uh-oh.
You still are because you're the driver.
How fast was he going, officer?
2.5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's 0.01 over the speed limit for cars with no engines. All right, so I'm going to write you for no seatbelt. No seatbelt for your passenger.
Ran away from the scene.
Yes, and for your passenger crying. And for speeding. Okay. So you need to appear in court. I'm going to make sure this ticket is mailed to you. Do you have anything to say? All right. Well, try to enjoy your Easter.
Thank you very much.
All right.